Happy day, everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Dear students, today we are going to take up a very beautiful poem given in your English Gulmohar book, The Mother Bird, composed by Walter de la Mare. Dear students, let me first of all introduce you with the poem before we begin with the explanation. This poem is a tribute to motherhood and illustrates this universal love through a mother bird that is helpless and defiant all at once upon espying an intruder in the vicinity. Now let's begin with the explanation of the poem. Through the green twilight of a hedge, I peered with cheek on the cool leaves pressed, and spied a bird upon a nest. 2 eyes she had beseeching me, meekly and brave, and her brown breast throbbed hot and quick above her heart. Children, in this poem, the speaker, that is the poet, looks through a hedge and spots a mother bird guarding a nest. Their eyes meet, and the bird seems to plead the speaker not to disturb her. She looks both scared and brave to him. He imagines her heart beating quite fast. And then she oped her dagger bill. 'Twas not a chirp as sparrows pipe at break of day. 'Twas not a trill as falters through the quiet even. Children, the bird opens her beak and utters a single cry, which makes a strong impression on the speaker. He says that it doesn't sound like sparrows chirping at the daybreak, nor a trill that can be heard in the quiet evening, but one sharp solitary note on desperate fears and vivid cry of valiant tears and hopeless joy, one passionate note of victory. So children, he feels this sound sharp, solitary, vivid, and fierce, which seems to express both tears and joy, courage and hopelessness, passion and victory. Off like a fool afraid, I sneaked, smiling the smile the fool smiles best, at the mother bird in the secret hedge, patient upon her lonely nest. Children, the speaker feels foolish and almost afraid. He quietly moves away from the spot, smiling awkwardly, while the mother bird remains at her nest as a patient and lonely figure. So this was the explanation. Now let's come to the theme of the poem. So, dear children, the theme of the poem is that there is no love greater than a mother's love. So this was all about the poem, The Mother Bird. See you in the next video with another topic. Till then, happy day. Goodbye. Thank you.